Alrighty guys, this is my introduction to the R6 build. It's a 2008 Yamaha R6 I got from Copart auction here in St. Louis. So I'll do a walk around real quick and show you guys the extent of the damage. Basically, it looks like it's mostly cosmetic. We got scratches here. Got a lot of chips in the paint. Got one crack in the corner of that headlight. So I will be getting a headlight assembly for it. More chipping, rash and scrapes, and a lot of chipping on this side. This frame slider here is kind of scraped up, and probably replace that as well. It needs a fairing kit. That's really what it comes down to. So I already purchased a fairing kit. It is on its way. The seat is torn right there as well. And it looks like it's starting to tear. Right there, you got a little crack there in the seat. The ignition was drilled out, so I need to put a new ignition on it. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back and we'll do a startup and we'll see how it runs. All right, I went ahead and did some work off camera, so I'll show you the old ignition. I went ahead and pulled the old ignition off. It didn't come with keys either, so I needed this anyway. So I just went ahead and got a new ignition. The gas tank lock had also been drilled out, so I went ahead and got a gas tank lock for that, and it came with a seat lock. So, yeah. I also found has a power commander in here. I also see two wires. I don't really know. This is my first R6, so if anyone knows what these are, it's looks like blue with a red line and a black wire. If you know what these go to, drop it down in the comments. The fairing kit I got comes with a seat cowl and a tank cover. Those should be coming in hopefully in the next week or two, and I will do a video on that as well. I do have an entire bolt kit. I ordered a bolt kit for it, so with the new fairings. I need to look into these power commanders. I don't really know much about them. I kind of get the general idea of how they work. Exhaust looks like it's in pretty decent shape. I don't know anything about this brand, and it looks like it needs to be tightened. Tell me what you guys think on this as well. Does that spin freely enough, you think? I mean, I don't think it makes a whole rotation even. Let's get it started so you guys can see that. No! All right, well, let's go ahead and get the charger out and let's plug it up. All right, it looks like it is charged, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put that down, tuck this away. All right. Okay.